To turn off your Android phone, make sure the screen is on and then swipe down from the top right corner. Look for the little power button on the top of your screen and give it a tap. Here you can either turn off your phone, restart it, do an emergency call, or view the medical info of the owner of this phone if they have it set up. I'll tap power off and it'll ask me to tap again to confirm. Then use your PIN code to complete the process. Some phones will give a brief vibration to confirm they have been fully powered off. Also, on some models, you can access the power off menu by long pressing the power button or power and volume up button, but this varies between phone models. The easiest way that always works is to do it from the control center like I showed. To power your phone back on, locate the power button and hold it down for a few seconds. Your phone will turn on. Hope that helps. Leave a comment if you have any questions and subscribe for more easy guides like this.